Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start the new topic highest common factor HCF. HCF is the greatest number that is a factor of two or more or other numbers. When we find out all the factors of two or more numbers, some factors which are coming common or same, and among the same and the common factors there is a biggest number which is called the common factor, and it is called the highest common factor. HCF can be find it out by two methods. One is the common factor method and the other one is the division method. The HCF through the common factor method, for example, we are going to find out the HCF of 15 and 18. First we will write all the factors of 15. 1 15s are, 3 5s are. Then we will write down all the factors of 18. 1 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 6 are. Then we will underline all the factors which are coming common in these two lines. 1 is common and 3 is common. So we will write down the underlined numbers under the heading of common factors are 1 and 3, and the biggest among 1 and 3 is 3, which is the HCF of 15 and 18. Example number 2. 18 and 24 both are even numbers. First we will write all the factors of 18. 1 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 6s are. Then we will write down all the factors of 24. 1 24s are, 2 12s are, 3 8s are, 4 6 are. Then we will underline the common numbers 1 2 3 6. We will write down under the heading of one common factor 1 2 3 6, and the biggest one is 6, which is the HCF of 18 and 24. So the practical application in maths is that if we will write down 18 and 24 as a fraction, 18 upon 24, and we will divide it through its HCF 6, we will got the lowest term directly, 3 upon 4. Important fact is that if there is nothing common factor, no common factor is coming for the given numbers, then the HCF would be 1. For example, HCF of 17, 18 and 13. 17 and 13 are the prime numbers. So their factors are 1 and 17, 18 having the factors 1, 18, 2, 9 and 3, 6. Factors of 13 is 1 and 13. And in these three lines, only one is common. So HCF and CF both is 1 for these three numbers. Then in the division method, the first rule that you have to divide the number through the prime factors only. Put the numbers on the grid and keep them dividing until and unless they will be divided simultaneously. If they are not going to be divided by the same factor, you have to stop on there and there on that step. Secondly, identify the given numbers are even or odd. If they are even, you will use the prime factor 2 for division. 24 and 18 are even, so we will start by 2. 2 12s are 24, 2 9s are 18. First line is finished. Then we will come on the second line. 12 and 9, they are divisible by 3. They are the multiple of 3. So we will divide it by 3. 3 4s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Now 3 and 4 are not further divisible by any common prime number. So we have to stop over here. We have to multiply the left hand side prime factors of the given number. The product is called HCF. The product of 2 and 3 is 6, so 6 will be the HCF. Second example is the numbers of for the HCF is 63, 42 and 21. Keep them on the grid. Students, these three numbers are divisible by 7 and 3 both. So it's your choice. You are going which number you are going to take for division. For example, I would like to divide them to 7. So 7 9s are 63, 7 6s are 42, 7 3s are 21. Then the first line will finish and the second line. These are the multiples. 9, 6 and 3 are the multiples of 3. So we will start dividing it by 3. 3 2s are, 3 3s are. and 3 ones are. 3, 2 and 1 are not further divisible, so we have to stop. Then find out the product of the prime factors coming on the left. 7 3s are 21 is the HCF of 63, 42 and 21. Now it's time for the copy work. In your new countdown book 5, in chapter number 2, HCF and LCM, do question number 6 of page 36 in your copies. Allah Hafiz.